Today we are blasting off into the latest space trails from January 2026 till now. Picture this: astronauts safely splashing down after months in orbit. At a test at SpaceX Starbase pushing Starships towards Mars. A dramatic tank explosion, which is all part of the plan. NASA's bold return to the moon with Artemis 2, and Blue Origin's game-changing spacecraft unlocking new frontiers. These moments aren't just news, they are steps forward in humanity's multiplanetary future. Stick around as we unpack each and every one of these updates, from high-stakes returns to innovative breakthroughs. My name is Ernest, welcome back to Space Expanse. Let's dive right in. In this captivating clip from space, we see the SpaceX Crew Dragon capsule gently undocking from the International Space Station. The video captures the spacecraft slowly backing away against the black void, with Earth's blue curve glowing below. Thrusters fires in short bursts, creating a safe distance as the station's solar arrays and module phase into the distance. This marks the end of NASA's Crew 11 mission on January 15, 2026, where astronauts Zena, Mike, Kimiya, and Oleg splashed down off California's coast after 167 days in orbit. They conducted vital experiments on human health, plant growth, and tech demos, even amid medical issues that shortened their stay. This return is crucial because it proves the reliability of commercial crew vehicles for long-duration missions, paving the way for deeper space exploration like NASA's Artemis. Safe re-entries ensures astronauts can keep pushing boundaries without unnecessary risk, advancing our knowledge of living in space. What challenges do you think the next ISS crew will tackle to prepare us for Mars? Share your views in the comment. And as the capsule drifts towards home, let's shift our gaze to Earth-bound innovations, where SpaceX is fine-tuning the tools for tomorrow's launches. Here at SpaceX Starbase in Texas, this footage shows the ship's quick disconnect arm in action during a nighttime test on January 15, 2026. The tall tower stands under floodlight, and the arm swings out smoothly, retracts, and extends again in a full run-through. Vehicles and equipment dot the sandy landscape, with the arm's precise movement highlighting engineering precision. This test was a key test for Part 2's fueling system, ensuring quick connections for Starship's upper stage. This test is vital as it boosts launch cadence. Part 2's upgrade, like quick disconnect systems, protect hardware from blasts and speed up operations. With Starships aiming for reasonable flight to Mars, reliable arm means faster turnarounds, cutting costs and enabling frequent missions. Without them, delays could hinder progress towards sustainable space travel. How do you imagine these arms evolving to handle even bigger rockets in the future? Share your thoughts with me in the comments. And gliding from the arms mechanism to fueling systems, we now explore how SpaceX is mastering the flow of power at the same part. We can see Part 2's booster quick disconnects for methane and oxygen. The arms extends outwards under clear skies, hold steady, then retract multiple times before staying out overnight. Cranes and workers buzz around the tower, with the distant Starbase facilities in the view. This BQD setup separates fuel for safer, faster loading, a leap from Part 1's single-arm design. It's essential because efficient fueling prevents leaks and explosions, key for Starship's rapid reusability. As SpaceX ramps up to hundreds and even thousands of flights yearly, this test ensures boosters can refuel quickly, supporting Mars colonizations and satellite deployment. They reduces refurbishment time, making space access affordable and routine. What role do you see these fuel systems playing in the first human landing on Mars? And also flowing seamlessly from the fuel test to tank trials, let's uncover the chilly secrets of cryogenic strengths at Mars's. Captured on January 19th of this month at Mars's test site, this footage reveals test tank 39.1 frosting over during its fifth cryo round. Vapor plume rises as supercooled liquid fills the cylindrical structure, stress testing its seams under pressure. Night lights illuminate the tank amid cranes and barrels, with frost building layer by layer. Additional info shows this 9-meter tank simulates Ship 39's condition, enduring multiple cycles to spot weakness. This is critical for Starship's evolution. Cryo tests validate materials against extreme cold, preventing failures in flight. As Block 3 ships grows larger for heavier payloads, robust tanks mean safer, more powerful rockets, accelerating paths to the moon and beyond. They inform designs that withstand space harshness, saving lives and resources. Do you believe this test will unlock unlimited reusability for starships? Sailing from tanks to assembly halls, we now witness a pivotal attachment that brings the spacecraft to life. Inside Mega Bay 2 on January 21st, cranes hoist Ship 39's second aft flap into place. The video tracks the large, curved flap swinging upwards, aligning with the ship's body as workers guide it precisely. A yellow loader briefly blocks the view before moving, allowing the flap to lock in. Confirmed details reveals it completes the aerodynamic control for re-entry, part of Block 3's upgrades. It's vital since flaps enable controlled descent and landing, key to reusability. Without them, ships couldn't survive atmospheric heat or pinpoint touchdowns, stalling Mars ambitions. This steps advances Starship towards orbital refilling and multi-planetary travel, making space sustainable. How excited are you for Ship 39's role in the future catches? And now, soaring from flaps to forceful trials, let's examine a deliberate distraction that teaches invaluable lessons. And also on January 21st at Massey's test site, test tank B18.3, the middle of the three burst just below the common dome in a planned failure test. The infrared video shows the tank pressurizing at night, then exploding in a vapor cloud, with debris scattering. Slow motion replays highlights the rupture point, confirming it was intentional for data collection. This is essential to understand limits, refining Booster 18's design against overpressure. Failures like this expose weak spots, ensuring real boosters withstand launches and landing, crucial for safer crewed flight to Mars. They accelerate iterations, turning setbacks into straight for reliable hardware. What insights do you think this explosion reveals for SpaceX's next boosters? Return to NASA's lunar dream taking shape. This dynamic NASA's video from January 19th, montage rocket launches, astronauts shooting up, and moon views, with dramatic music and quotes like "We are heading to the moon." It announces the Artemis 2 launch window on February 6th for a crewed flyby with Wiseman, Victor, Christina, and Jeremy. These are all the astronauts that will be flying on Artemis 2. It's vital as the first human moon orbit in over 50 years, testing Orion and SLS for future landings. This paves the way for diverse crew exploration sustainability, ensuring global innovations in science and technology. Delays resolved, it boosts international partnerships. Are you ready for the live coverage? What discoveries await on this historic leap? And I'm very certain that this mission will answer a lot of questions that most people had about the Apollo missions, orbiting from moon missions to versatile platforms. Let's discover how Blue Origin is reshaping space logistics. Blue Origin's video from January 15th showcases their Blue Ring spacecraft with animations of it deploying payloads, maneuvering orbits, and hosting sensors. Details confirm a 2026 debut with SDA tech. This is key for affordable access, enabling back missions to Earth, Moon, and Mars orbit. It multiplies science by slashing costs, supporting defense, exploration, and comms infrastructure. It democratizes orbits, fostering rapid advancements. What payloads will you be sending on the Blue Ring to unlock new cosmic secrets? Thank you for staying with us to the end. If you enjoyed the video, kindly smash the like button, subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss any of our future updates. I drop 2 new videos each week. They are all bangers, and trust me, you do not want to miss any of them. Watch these videos right here. They are my previous uploads and it's a banger. And I will talk to all of y'all in the next episode. Thank you for staying with us.